Okay, so at this point we've got our steering wheel replaced, which was the main place that we had loads of wear, and there is now not so much wear. And the only real place that causes us pain to look at is this horrible damage to the plastic. I don't know if you can see, I'll get nice and close. It's actually damaged a bit there and a bit there. So we're just going to replace that bit of trim, get it out, and then the rest of the interior, apart from when I eventually do a head unit upgrade, pretty much done. And it won't look like a car that's done 160,000 miles. Right, let's get it done. So to finish off the last major job internally in the cabin is this little dude that I bought. Now I've got to admit, I'm really impressed with the quality of this aftermarket part. The centre grille part here, it cost 19 quid, so and it came pretty quickly as well. It's not something I had to wait a month for from slow boat from China. It's really nice quality. It's got soft touch plastic on it. Obviously you can't tell that from the video. Came nicely packaged and it came in like 2 or 3 days. Really impressed. So biggest problem in the car is I think I've got it upside down and I think it goes that way. Someone had an air freshener attached to the fins here, and either it had rubbed or the liquid had come out and started all the soft touch plastic to peel on the one in the car. So we're just going to replace the whole unit. I'm expecting this to just be lots of bits of plastic and trim screws, so not particularly difficult, just maybe a little bit fiddly with a bunch of screws. Let's go and get it done, and then we're pretty much done with all the mankiness on the interior. Yes, this piece here needs to come off. It's dead simple. If you want to use plastic trim tools, and you should use plastic trim tools if you're going to work with plastic pieces, you can do, but in practice I've found it just pulls off. Use your fingers. You just start to get your fingers and pull it, this whole thing should just lift out. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna say, let's just unplug that. There's a little wiring clip there. I've not even unplugged the battery for this because there's no, as far as I'm aware, I don't think there's any airbag warning lights or anything like that on here. So there we go, removed. So what you've got now is just the air vent assemblies and the buttons to remove from this. Take this piece out and just transfer the bits across. So I might turn this around, just make it easier. Yeah, so can you see there? I don't know if you can see with the light well enough. There's a screw here, 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 and a few more down there. Let's get them off. Ooh, I just had one tiny bit caught and I'm hoping I did no damage there. Just to show you what I was having issue with, Can you see there's two little sort of teeth here on the top of this center wheel assembly. They were just, one of them was just catching ever so slightly on the pin there with the green. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, just be real careful and just don't force anything, I think is the trick there. So let's not move anything on that. Let's take the buttons out of here. Just need to take our hazards and our central locking button out and refit that in here. It just pushes out, dead easy. I think that's everything off the old one. That's our broken, knackered one. You see that? Let's throw that on the floor. There's our new trim piece. Let's hope everything fits back as if it was OEM. Okay, that's gone in nicely. Clicked straight in. Right. Now, will this go back onto here as nicely as it was before? There we have it. No more manky trim. Looks alright, doesn't it?